Hey, Haiku, can you sing?
Yeah? Why? You mad? You mad? What? You mad?
Brent? Same.
Stop it. I'm selling tickets. Just bring your dog.
So happy. Oh my goodness. What are you?
Sit. Stay.
She's trying to swim. She's like, help me out. Help me out.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Us know that it's time to begin our lockdown because it's ready.
Daisy.
Oh,
Daisy.
There you go. What do you have on your bus? What does she have, Rox?
Oh, right there. Oh, that's the spot.
Oh my god.
Jake, you're going to the vet. You're not going for a walk. All of ice cream. Oh my goodness.
You're gonna get brain freeze, dude.
Oh, there goes him.
Bella, smile.
You want me to play with you? Right now?
Puppy for sale because mine is broken. Stop. Oh, we talked about this. Stop. Oh my god! Who are you?
No, sir. No. Chief, no.
아, 어떡해.
Come on, I gotta leave. I gotta go out. You gotta go outside. Marley.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Alright, well, what do you think's gonna happen? He's not gonna hurt you.
We're gonna go in an hour, okay? An hour.
You healthy? You're exercising too?
I said go lay down. It's bedtime.
Oreo.
I'm forgetting you, Dad.
I love you.
Oh my God, you're not gonna believe what just happened down here today. Come here, guys. Come here. Who did this? Who did this?
Coco, what are you doing? Coco.
It's just your shadow, Pogi. Pogi.
I could have sworn when you're trying to attack something or somebody, it's supposed to be like secretive.
Was our suggestion. It's not something that they repeat over and over and talk to the man.
What is it?
Who is that? Oh no! Did you get your tail?
Did you actually get it?
Yeah, he got his tail. Why aren't you walking?
Teeth? You wanna brush your teeth?
Hey, you're yelling at me. No. You're not yelling at mommy for the mac and cheese. Say I love you.
I heard that. Wait. Okay, go.
What's up, Chewy? What are you doing? What are you doing?
You did all this garbage. That's what you're smiling about? Huh? Is that what you're smiling about?
What?